Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov, and now my brother Andrew is applying fantastic nail design which will be suitable for Christmas celebrations. And as you can see, he's working now with the barrel drill bit. I made video a little bit faster because the process was very long. He had to remove the gel from these long nails and make the set of infill of gel nails. He's using the barrel drill bit. This drill bit is his favorite because it allows him to work with this product very quickly. And as you can see, it's removing the gel like a butter without the tiny pieces of dust which can be put into your lung. So this drill bit is also safe for your health because the dust pieces are large and they are throwing on the table, not flying all around in the air. Now he is removing the dead skin from the nail plate, and as you can see, one nail of this client is broken. She suddenly fell on the ground, and she broke this nail. It was very painful. She told that the pain was very strong, and she also had to call the doctor because the nail was bleeding. And after, can you explain me, girls, what for? Why do you keep on doing such long nails? After all this pain, after all these accidents which are happening with your nails everywhere, I heard a lot of stories of how you are breaking your nails, but you are still doing long nails. I don't know why. I think that Russian women say that the beauty needs a lot of pain or a lot of I don't know how to say it in English. But how can you explain these things? Let's come back to the video. And now you see Andrew is quickly working with the file. He's preparing the nail plate for placing the gel, and he needs to work with cuticles to remove the cuticle using these nippers. I can say one thing, guys, all these tools and products you can order in my store. Shipping all over the world is free until the end of this month. Okay guys, after removing the cuticles, Andrew will be primering the nail plate. It's also necessary for preparing this perfectly to avoid any liftings. And this client don't like visiting his studio often. It's about 2 months. After the last infill, and it's not okay. It's not good when you're living with gel nails before. I know when nails staying for so long between visits. Okay guys, now my brother is preparing nails with the base gel, and you should cure this layer in LED lamp in 30 seconds, every layer you should curve in 30 seconds and pour powerful LED lamp. I mean 20 watt or more. Let's apply the form and let's compare with the other nail. He needs to know what the length should be for this nail, and the pinky nail should be a little bit shorter than other nails, because this finger is stressable. You can easily break this nail when you are when something happen. Okay guys, let's take a look. Let's watch Andrew applying the gel, the sculpting mix gel, using my favorite brush. And as you can see, when he is applying now long nails, he is using this brush, because this brush is better for sculpting nails with the sculpting mix gel, because this gel is thick enough, and when you are using, for example, white brush, it's not comfortable to apply the gel and to apply the alignment of the nail plate. And something new is happening now. My brother Andrew is applying the additional layers, additional coats of the base, thick base gel. It's needed to flatten some surface of the nail plate, because we don't need to make mountings on the nail plate, because we will have to shape them and file them for a long time, and it's very hard. It takes a lot of power, energy. So, and as you can see, nails now look flat, neat, and it doesn't they don't take too much work from Andrew. Anyway, he has to work hard with these nails, because the first thing, we should compare nails one to the other, check the length, and file the remaining length, remove some length from nails. And also he will be using the same barrel drill bit for removing some gel, because it's hard to shape only using the nail file. In first, when he was the beginner, he was shaping only using the file, and the work took about 3 or 4 hours. But now, when he is using the barrel and the cone drill bit, his work is becoming faster than before. It takes about 1 or 2 hours. In this case, it took about 2 hours, because nails are long, and he had to make some time break, or I don't know how to in English. He just need to relax, smoke. I don't know, is it okay to you, but Andrew is smoking. He's trying to give up smoking. I gave up. For personally me, I gave up smoking 10 years ago, and I think that I hope my brother will stop this bad habit, and I wish you to stop if you are smoking. I wish you to stop this bad thing. I know when we have in life the stress, a lot of stress, sometimes it helps, but that's not okay. I think that it brings a lot of harm or bad things in our life. I know that, because I was smoker 8 years. When I started smoking in the childhood, and I gave up smoking about when I was 21 years old, and it's about 10 or more years I don't smoke, and I'm happy, you know. And it's not easy to give up. I think you should be relaxed. You don't stress, and because any stress can make you start smoke again. One day I tried to give up smoking a lot of times, but one day I had a holiday, and I just was visiting saunas, fitness clubs. I was jogging, and that things helped me to think about my health, and that things helped me to stop this habit. I know a lot of nail technicians are smoking, but I don't know why, because we are facing with the dust. The dust is bad thing, but some of nail tech also are smoking. I think that this is the double harm for you, and I think you should stop this thing. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna teach or tell moralizing stories. I just tell about my life and life of my brother. And now you see my brother working with this nail, and I think it's not easy. And a lot of nail technicians understand me when we are working with such long nails. In the end of the day, you are very tired, because it's not easy to work with such shapes. But I think the another side of the medal, it brings you a lot of satisfaction, because when you see the result of your work, and when you have created something amazing, something miracle, and when your client, his or her eyes are shining, sparkling with when she's looking at that beauty on her fingers, that's something wordless. I don't know how to explain that thing, and I think that we can forget about all problems, all things, when we're doing such amazing nails. It really helps us to struggle with depression, the bad mood, because this work really can change any person. And I'm happy that I became nail technician 10 years ago and started doing these nails, and I'm happy that I can show this work. I still can keep on showing this work, the part of my life that's connected with nail art and gel nails industry. Okay, guys, after shaping these nails, we have removed the dust, worked with cuticles again using the ball jewel bit, and for the base coat, we have to prepare nails. We just applied the base gel, curved in lead lamp in 30 seconds. Don't forget that we curve each layer in 30 seconds in powerful lead lamp. And after that, we are applying the random color of gel polish. Soon in my store, guys, I will represent you the set of gel polishes which are in trend always, which are popular among my clients for all the time. it will be only 10 colors of gel polishes. There will be some shades of red color, some dark wine colors, beige color, and black, of course, black and white color. These colors will be maximum pigmented and maximum, they will have highest quality, non-allergic. They have certificates because they made in Russia, specialized manufacturer. This set will cost not more than 40 euros, sorry, and it's acceptable price with free shipping. So you can order this, you will order this set, and you will be sure that you will your client will be satisfied with the result. After so let's come back to the tutorial, and as you can see, my brother is have drawn the line, vertical line, using the pigment which was mixed with the base gel. So he had created the special gel paint by himself. He created this color, holographic gel paint. He just mixed base gel with some powder of which have holographic effect, and he applied the line curved in 30 seconds in LED lamp. After that, he removed some dust, have covered nails with the top coat, and draw this painting, this amazing painting. So just take a look, guys, how it's beautiful. I think every beginner can do this amazing nail design using only powders, base gel, and dark gel polish. And I hope that you will enjoy this video, and click like, subscribe to my channel, and tomorrow I will make something special again for you, because now I'm publishing new videos every day for you guys. Amazing techniques of Russian style manicure and nail extensions. Bye bye!